Alright, what is going on YouTube? I know you all are very close to my face here, but this camera does not work for filming inside the car. So I told y'all we're going to another Cars and Coffee here, so this is the same day as the last video.
It's getting hot out.
It's getting warm out, because yeah, that's Florida in a nutshell. It starts off at 50-something degrees. You know it's going to get hot. It never stays that cold in Florida. So we're currently at the Big Storm Brewery. Got a lot of nice cars out. Kind of like the last one, you had to get here early to get a spot. But we went ahead and had breakfast, so we were still pretty early. So the good news is there's a lot of stuff around. And this one, it's definitely a lot bigger since I was here 2 months ago, because hopefully they'll actually start doing this every month and not every other month like they're currently doing. Alright, it is hot in this car, so we're about to get started walking around again.
Let's go.
Porsche. Yeah, I think it's safe to say we've seen everything here. Do you have a favorite car?
I don't know. There's too many to decide.
I don't know. You like the Hot Wheels Porsche? We'll go with that.
It was pretty badass.
I think that was gonna be her favorite. Oh, they got this the American flag wrapped Mustang going. That sounds like it's got a turbo LS in it. It definitely goes in the top 10 of cars we've seen today. I don't know, so let me know in the comment section below which car is y'all's favorite, because once again, a lot of good cars. The show is even bigger since the last time I came here. Eventually, I think they're just gonna have to start either selling spots or they're really gonna have to start reserving spots, because it's a lot of cars. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. I know this is like first time in a long time I've done a really good Cars and Coffee video, and we've got two through the same day. Of course, this one will be uploaded a couple days after the first one. But anyway, stay tuned for more content. Definitely more stuff with this car coming as soon as I find another job. But anyway, take care. Have a good day.